Okay guys, so my Komotomos came, so. Okay, so here's the green one. Oh, that's cool. Look how squishy they are. And the tops come off and they're like squishy. It's really cool. Okay, that's the green 5-ounce. That right there. And here's my pink 8-ounce. Top came off, but there. Oh, that's cool. It's like, wow. That's cool. Instructions, and here they are. They're really hot, but it says Komotomo. And the nipples right here. They go down really easily. And they like stay there. So, yeah, that's my video, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye!